Ever feel like your bank account is slowly being drained by a bunch of recurring charges you barely even notice anymore? Like little financial ninjas silently siphoning away your hard-earned cash? We're talking about those subscription services, the Netflix binges you finished months ago, the Spotify playlists you haven't touched since that one summer, and yes, even that gym membership you swore you'd use religiously come January 1st. It's easy to sign up for these things with the best intentions, isn't it? A free trial here, a limited time offer there. But life gets busy. We forget. And suddenly, months, even years, go by, and you're still paying for services you're not actively using. It's like throwing money out the window, one small charge at a time. But what if there was a way to fight back against these sneaky subscription ninjas? What if you could easily identify, track, and even cancel those forgotten or unwanted recurring payments, all in one place? That's where Rocket Money comes in. Now, you might have heard of Rocket Money before. It's gained quite a bit of popularity as a personal finance app designed to help you manage your money more effectively. And one of its standout features is its ability to tackle those very subscriptions that we're talking about today, specifically focusing on services like Netflix, Spotify, and gym memberships. So, how exactly does Rocket Money work its magic in this area? Let's dive into the specifics. First and foremost, Rocket Money connects directly to your bank and credit card accounts. This is crucial because it allows the app to get a comprehensive overview of all your transactions, including those recurring subscription charges. Once connected, Rocket Money intelligently scans your transaction history, identifying patterns and flagging recurring payments. Think about it. Those monthly deductions for Netflix, Spotify, or your gym will appear consistently in your statements. Rocket Money's algorithms are designed to recognize these patterns, even if the merchant names aren't always perfectly clear. It essentially acts like a digital detective, sifting through your financial data to uncover all those subscriptions you might have forgotten about. Once these subscriptions are identified, Rocket Money presents them to you in a clear and organized manner within the app. You'll typically see the name of the service, the amount you're paying, and the frequency of the charges. This simple overview can be incredibly eye-opening. Seeing all your subscriptions laid out in front of you can be a real wake-up call, highlighting just how much you're spending on these services collectively. Now, here's where the real power of Rocket Money comes in, the ability to manage and cancel these subscriptions directly through the app. Instead of having to log into multiple websites, remember various usernames and passwords, and navigate often confusing cancellation processes, Rocket Money aims to simplify the entire procedure. Let's take Netflix as an example. Imagine you signed up for a premium Netflix plan a while back, but now you mostly just watch on your phone and could easily downgrade to a standard plan or even cancel altogether if you're not using it much. Rocket Money would identify your Netflix subscription. With a few taps within the app, you can review the details and initiate the cancellation process. Similarly, for Spotify, perhaps you signed up for a premium account for ad-free listening but now primarily use a free music streaming service. Rocket Money can help you find that Spotify subscription and guide you through the steps to cancel it. Gym memberships are another notorious culprit for forgotten recurring charges. Life happens, workout routines fall by the wayside, and suddenly you're paying for a gym you haven't visited in months. Rocket Money can help you identify this expense and, in many cases, provide you with options for cancellation. It's important to note here that Rocket Money doesn't always directly cancel the subscription for you with a single click. The actual cancellation process can vary depending on the service provider. Some services might allow Rocket Money to initiate the cancellation directly through their APIs, application programming interfaces, while others might require Rocket Money to provide you with the necessary information and links to cancel on your own. However, even in cases where direct cancellation isn't possible, Rocket Money still provides immense value by centralizing all your subscription information and streamlining the process. It saves you the hassle of searching through old emails or trying to remember which website you need to log into. It essentially acts as a central hub for managing all your recurring payments. Beyond just identifying and canceling, Rocket Money can also help you track how much you're spending on subscriptions each month. This provides valuable insights into your spending habits and can help you make more informed decisions about which services are truly worth the cost. Seeing the total amount you're shelling out on various subscriptions can be a powerful motivator to cut back on those you don't need. Furthermore, Rocket Money often provides additional features related to subscription management. For example, it might notify you of upcoming subscription renewals, giving you a chance to decide whether you still want to continue the service before you're charged again. This can be incredibly helpful in preventing unwanted charges for services you no longer intend to use. Some versions or premium features of Rocket Money might even offer negotiation services, where they attempt to negotiate lower rates on your behalf for certain subscriptions, like internet or cable bills. While this might not directly apply to Netflix or Spotify, it highlights the broader scope of how Rocket Money aims to save you money on recurring expenses. Now, let's address some potential questions or considerations you might have about using Rocket Money for managing subscriptions like Netflix, Spotify, and gym memberships. One common concern is privacy and security. Connecting a financial app to your bank accounts requires a certain level of trust. Rocket Money typically employs industry-standard security measures, such as encryption and secure data storage, to protect your financial information. However, it's always a good idea to research the app's security practices and read user reviews before granting access to your accounts. Another point to consider is the accuracy of the subscription identification. While Rocket Money's algorithms are generally quite effective, there might be instances where a recurring charge isn't correctly identified as a subscription, or vice versa. It's always wise to review the subscriptions identified by the app and ensure their accuracy. You have the ability to categorize and manage these within the app. The effectiveness of the cancellation assistance can also vary. As mentioned earlier, Rocket Money doesn't always have the ability to directly cancel every subscription with a single click. The process might involve following links or instructions provided by the app to cancel on the service provider's website. However, the centralization of this information and the streamlined process are still significant advantages. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.